Shell has been operating in the Niger Delta, making huge profits there for about 85 years.
During that time, many of the communities that are living in the Niger Delta region, close to the pipelines, have been affected by oil spills going on for many years.
The UN took a team to Ogale and other areas of the Niger Delta. The UN found that the drinking water in Ogale was chronically polluted and that there was an immediate danger to public health. Surprisingly little is being done about it. If this were happening in London, if it were happening pretty much anywhere else in the world, Shell would be doing all they could to remediate this situation.
The Ogale and Bille Communities approached us to represent them. They were clear that if they tried to pursue the case through the Nigerian courts, that they simply wouldn't get remedy. So they asked us to take the fight against the parent company, Shell plc, in London.
The claims seek compensation for the loss of livelihood, for the devastating impact on the community's way of life, but also seek a cleanup of the environment, the water, the land, in order to try to bring the environment back to the state that it once was.
If Shell is successful in its legal arguments, it will mean that oil companies generally in the Niger Delta can leave the scene of the environmental disaster which has unfolded under their watch over many years and have no responsibility to those who they have impacted.
At a time when the world is so focused on a just transition away from fossil fuels and the burden of climate change is falling disproportionately on countries in the global south, our clients ask whether Shell should be allowed to leave the Niger Delta region without cleaning up the pollution that has so impacted their lives.